actually looks solid.
Let's have a look.
It doesn't look.
See, look, that's what I mean. It's black and white. Yes, you see, look, black and white. She always comes
And
up
how old
looking-
are you today, Claire?
Yeah.
102. She's 102.
Oh, you're 102. Where's your hat, Sue?
Oh,
How dare you?
I've got my under the chin bit.
That's strange. On your head.
Oh right, I've got a strange light on my head.
Oh,
Let's have a
I
full
feel-
frontal.
I feel a little bit like Maud Simpson again.
Claire.
Whatever her name
Marge.
is.
Oh, hang on. Put it
Marge
Yeah.
Simpson.
Sorry.
This is
So you could have the veiled look and have it backwards.
Well, I think mine's the best, actually. It's very creative.
Yours looks good, you see.
No, not the one on my head. The one I made.
Mike, I can't.
She can't
I've
see.
no idea what it looks
Push
like.
it to the back
It looks
a bit.
lovely.
It
It's
looks
so-
like-
Turn
No,
around.
no.
Chin down, darling.
That's
Chin
it.
down.
That's
Oh,
it.
that's
That's
really
Now
it.
that's
That's
better. Now turn, look that way.
That's better. That's
Oh,
it.
yes.
It's
It's-
good.
What's the
isn't
name of
it?
that woman with all the fruit on her head?
Oh yes, yes.
Miranda.
Miranda. Carmen Miranda.
Get a banana.
Let's stick a chocolate.
Oh, don't ruin my design. No, that's gold. That offends me. It offends me. No. We've got to have...
I like it very much.
Let's have a look. What colour's that? Oh, no, it's gold. Don't want gold. Oh, that's gold too. Oh, that's better. That's better.
In the back, because
Excuse me.
no, look,
Excuse me.
it's just too heavy now.
Put that on your chops, Sasha.
That will last a long time.
Stop now.
Babe.
Did you just chiz? It sounded like you just passed wind there. I've got it on film.
Oh no.
That's what I thought. That's a bit.